Today it's time for us to compare two Harley Benton guitars, the brand new ST80 series, the one with the rusted maple fretboard, and the one with the rosewood fretboard. Both are by Harley Benton, and they're part of their brand new line, the ST80s FR series. And these are, as the name says, replicas, or not replicas, but maybe 80s style guitars. At least they're supposed to be. Super Strats with a traditional Strat body shape, Floyd Rose tremolo, Floyd Rose 1000 series, and a stunning rusted maple neck, but they differ in the fretboard material. So this one comes with rusted maple or caramelized maple fretboard, as the other one comes with a plain rosewood fretboard. And today I would like to show you how they sound, and of course we want to find out if there's a difference sound-wise. So I'm playing through my Fractal Audio FM9, starting with the rhythm tone. my opinion, they sound a little bit different. At least I could hear it here in the room. I don't know if it translates in the video very well, but the green one, the one with the rosewood fretboard, it sounds a little bit more low, mid-heavy, and the pink one sounds a little bit more bright, so a little bit more open. That is also my experience with the fusion guitars, the ones with the rosewood or ebony fretboard. They sound a little bit more balanced in my opinion. I prefer the fusions with the ebony fretboard over the ones with the maple, roasted maple fretboards. But here with these guitars it's quite the opposite. It may depend on the bodywood, because these guitars, I think they're made of basswood, and maybe it sounds a little bit darker than the fusions, so it's a nice combination with a little bit brighter sounding neck and the darker sounding body. So I prefer the sound of the pink one here, but to be honest, the differences sound-wise, in my opinion, they're not that drastic, so you could dial in your tone in the end that they sound more or less similar, if not the same, to each other. So I hope this helps you for your decision. If you like my tones, you can get my preset packs by contacting me on Facebook or Instagram. You find the links in the description below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Adios.